Before the exam, start by creating a study plan. Organize your study material and allocate enough time for each topic or subject. Remember, a well-structured plan can make your study sessions more productive. Next, engage in active learning. This means summarizing your notes, creating flashcards, or even teaching the material to someone else. Active learning helps in retaining information better. If available, practice with past exam papers. This gives you a feel for the exam format and the types of questions that might appear. Physical and mental health are crucial during this time. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and exercise regularly. A healthy body fosters a healthy mind. Organization is also key. Keep your study materials and resources orderly. A clutter-free workspace can boost your focus and productivity. Avoid cramming and make sure to take regular breaks. This helps maintain your concentration and prevents burnout. Lastly, before the exam, maintain a positive mindset. Negative self-talk and anxiety can be counterproductive. During the exam, start by carefully reading the instructions and all the questions. Understanding what is expected of you is half the battle won. Time management is crucial. Allocate specific time for each question or section and stick to it. Begin by answering the questions you find easiest. This can build your confidence and ensure you don't miss out on easy points. For problem-solving questions, show your work or thought process. You might earn partial credit even if your final answer is incorrect. Stay calm. If you encounter a difficult question, take a moment to breathe and move on. You can always return to it later if time permits. Use any extra time to review your answers. Check for any errors and make necessary corrections. After the exam, take some time to reflect. Consider what strategies worked and what could have been improved for future exams. Consistency is key. Keep up with your study habits and continue to seek improvement for future exams. Remember, effective exam preparation is an ongoing process. It's about finding the study techniques that work best for you and maintaining a positive mindset. With these strategies in place, you can face any exam with confidence and grace.